here from the Nat Kids Day. I'm doing something. Today is Mother's Day, but I'm gonna do a video. So I had a suggestion to do a video on opening these, which I was going to, anyways. This is the tea one. It got quite dirty. It's not the best, but it's not the worst, just from licking the outside. I'm going to start off with this one. Perfect. It tastes like a soda pop, which it is a soda pop. I like that one. Next, the tea. Is this one open?
Don't have to split because I got this on a split.
More. My God. Open this, please. I try to open one of these.
Hey, that's a split.
So open that, and I'll give you this.
Open this one?
No, that one. That one. This is weird. I don't think I would want it anyway.
I can't get it.
Try the other one. That one's weird. You can have it. Well, he's getting that.
I know why. The cap's on it.
Open. My hand's slippery.
I know. I can't do it.
Wait. I'm ready. So it doesn't so slippery. I'm going to put it like this. What about this one? I believe that you have to run it under warm water and then try. So I'm going to put this view on my sink. It kind of untightens it a little. Warm water. I'm going to get the other one really fast. I don't want to waste water. Finally! Yes! Sorry. This isn't the best. I'd prefer the Sprite. No, not the Sprite. The, Orange Crush. I'll put this on tight. Hey, my mom. Who knows? Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Goodbye.
Wait. Watch my YouTube channel. I need 1,000 views.
And watch mine. Please subscribe. I've had my YouTube channel up for 2 months. 2 months. And I only have 4 subs, which means subscribers. Goodbye.